All right, so we know what we gotta do so our retros don't suck. We know that playing stupid games doesn't really get us to great retros. We know that working in pairs and following liberating structure is definitely the way to go to make your retros awesome. We also know that using team excellence as the North Star for the team can get you on the right path to continuous improvement. What else? So many teams do a retro and they say, oh, we got to do this, do that. They add it as Jira item or tickets to their team backlog and they think, hey, we've done the great thing. And yes, maybe. However, if you think about that, if you know what you need to do in order to get to continuous improvement, these are implementation items. That's not a retro. Just do it. Just use this and improve. A retro is really for us to challenge ourselves to get to the next step. A retro is we don't necessarily know how to get to that North Star. What are our smallest set of steps and experiments that we need to do in order to get there? Now, in the coaching kata of continuous improvement, the training kata and continuous improvement kata, Mike Rother, link below, talks about that really implementation action items is one thing. A retro is what are the next small steps we need to do to get to that long-term horizon. And that's really what a great retro for an awesome team is about. Find the links below. I'll see you in a couple of days. Thanks for listening.